Picture this. You walk into the NEET exam hall. One question, just one. Which of the following is not a feature of phylum Chordata? And your mind goes blank. Why? Because Animal Kingdom has 30-plus phyla, hundreds of terms, and most students try to memorize them all without understanding the logic. Today, we fix that. Welcome to Day 4 of the Biology Domination series, Animal Kingdom Decoded. Before you touch a single phylum, you must lock in the basis of classification. NCERT gives us 4 major criteria. First, body symmetry. Sponges are asymmetrical. Starfish show radial symmetry. Most complex animals are bilaterally symmetrical. Second, germ layers. Diploblastic means 2 layers, ectoderm and endoderm. Coelenteriates. Triploblastic means 3 layers, mesoderm is added. Platyhelminthes onwards. Third, column. No column, acolemate, like flatworms. False column, pseudocolumate. Roundworms. True column, columate. Annelids, arthropods, you, me, everyone higher. Fourth, segmentation. Earthworm shows true metamerism. Remember this table and half your MCQs solve themselves. Let's begin phylum by phylum, fast and sharp. Porifera. These are your sponges. Level of organization, cellular. They have a water canal system. The key cell is the choanocyte, collar cells that line the spongocoel and create water current. They're hermaphrodites. Examples, cycon, spongilla, euspongia. Moving up, Coelenterata, also called Cnidaria. Key weapon, nematocysts, stinging cells used for offense and defense. These animals show 2 body forms, the sedentary polyp and the free-swimming medusa. Obelia shows both. Corals show only the polyp form. They are diploblastic, ectoderm and endoderm with mesoglia in between. Examples, Hydra, Physalia, Adamsia. 3 worm phyla, 3 separate body plans, and NEET loves asking you to mix them up. Platyhelminthes, the flatworms. Acoelomate, no body cavity at all. Excretion by flame cells. Mostly parasitic, tapeworm and fasciola, but planaria is free-living and can regenerate. Aschelminthes, the roundworms. Pseudocoelomate, false coelom, not lined by mesoderm. Sexes are separate, dioecious. Ascaris lives in your intestine. Wuchereria causes elephantiasis. Now Annelida, truly exciting. True coelom, metamerism. The body is divided into segments, and this is called true segmentation. Closed circulatory system. Lateral appendages called parapodia in Nereis help in swimming. Earthworm and leeches are hermaphroditic. Nereis is dioecious. Don't mix them up.
Now the heavy hitters. Arthropoda, the largest phylum in the entire animal kingdom. Jointed appendages, that's what Arthropoda literally means. Exoskeleton of chitin. Open circulatory system. Respiration varies. Book gills in limulus. Book lungs in scorpions. Trachea in insects. Examples, Apis the bee. Bombyx the silkworm. Lassifer the lac insect. Anopheles, Culex, Aedes, all mosquitoes you must know. Mollusca, second largest phylum. Soft body covered by a mantle. The mantle secretes the shell. Radula, a rasping organ for feeding. Hinocoel is the body cavity. Phyla is your garden snail. Punctata gives you pearls. Sepia is the cuttlefish. Octopus has 8 arms. Echinodermata, spiny-skinned animals. Water vascular system for locomotion, food capture, respiration. They are deuterostomes. Mouth develops second. Asterias is starfish. Echinus is sea urchin. Antodon is sea lily. No excretory organs. Diffusion handles it.
We are now crossing the most important boundary in this entire chapter, the line between non-chordates and chordates. Hemichordata is the bridge. Balanoglossus is the classic example. It has gill slits and a stomochord, but not a true notochord. Don't confuse stomochord with notochord. NEET has asked this. Now, phylum Chordata. 4 fundamental features: notochord, dorsal hollow nerve cord, paired pharyngeal gill slits, and postanal tail. All must be present at some stage of life. Urochordata, sea squirts, Ascidia, Herdmania. Notochord only in larval tail stage, disappears in adult. Cephalochordata, Amphioxus, also called branchiostoma. Notochord persists throughout life, from head to tail. These two together are called Protochordata. They lack a proper head and vertebral column.
Now, the vertebrates, they have 7 classes. Let's nail each one. Cyclostomata, jawless vertebrates. Petromyzon is the lamprey, parasitic on other fish. Myxine is the hagfish. Notochord persists as adults. Chondrichthyes, cartilaginous fish. Shark, Scoliodon, Pristis, Trigon. No swim bladder, they must keep swimming or sink. Placoid scales. Chondrichthyes are mostly marine. Osteichthyes, bony fish. Rohu, labio, catla, hippocampus the seahorse. Exocotis the flying fish. Operculum covers gills. Cycloid or ctenoid scales. Swim bladder present. Amphibia, first land vertebrates but tied to water for reproduction. Frog, toad, salamander, ichthyophis the limbless one. 3-chambered heart. Cutaneous respiration, breathe through moist skin. Reptilia, the first true land animals. Dry, scaly skin, no mucus. 3-chambered heart except crocodiles, which have 4. Ophidia are snakes. Aves, birds, 4-chambered heart. Pneumatic bones make them light. Homeothermic, warm-blooded. Archaeopteryx is the connecting link between reptiles and birds. Mammalia, our class. Mammary glands, 4-chambered heart, diaphragm for breathing, external ear called pinna. Platypus and echidna are prototherians, egg-laying mammals. Kangaroo is a metatherian, marsupial. We are eutherians, placental. Before we close, let me fire the 8 traps that have cost NEET students marks for decades. 1. Archaeopteryx is the connecting link between reptiles and birds. 2. Platypus lays eggs but is a mammal. 3. Crocodile has a 4-chambered heart. Not all reptiles do. 4. Balanoglosis has a stomochord, not a notochord. Don't let that slip. 5. Arthropoda is the largest phylum. Mollusca is second. 6. Water vascular system belongs exclusively to Echinodermata. 7. Flame cells are in Platyhelminthes, not Aschelminthes. Don't use simple diffusion. 8. Parapodia are in Nares, not in earthworm. Lock these 8 in, and you've just protected yourself from at least 2 to 3 marks. That's the game. See you on day 5, Morphology of Flowering Plants. Subscribe and press the bell icon so you don't miss a single day of this crash course.